Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. And Wi-Fi has become even more important than it already was. Whether you're working from home, you have school at home, or if you're like me and you're playing a lot more games online, it's important to have a stable, strong connection. And not only that, as you have more devices connecting to your router, such as phones, tablets, smart home devices, you need technology to support it, which brings us to the product we're going to be talking about today. This is the TP-Link Archer AX55 router, which has Wi-Fi 6 built in. I have to give a big thanks to TP-Link for sponsoring this video and sending this router for us to check out. Now, this router can get up to 3,000 megabits per second in speeds over Wi-Fi, obviously dependent on what type of speeds that you pay for. So we are going to unbox this router, take a quick look what comes inside, and run through the setup process, and then, of course, test it on out. Let's go ahead and get started. Here is the Archer AX55 router from TP-Link with Wi-Fi 6. You also see it's compatible with Amazon Alexa, and you can also choose to have your order shipped to an Amazon locker near you. I will post all links to this router down below. You'll also see that TP-Link has won the JD Power Award for customer satisfaction in Wi-Fi routers 3 out of the past 4 years. Some of the factors that go into this award is Wi-Fi range, reliability, speed of upload, download. So we'll test that and more with this router. Let's unbox it. Opening it up, let's see what we get inside. First of all, standard booklets are quick installation guide. And finally, what you came to see, the Archer AX55 from TP-Link. There are some stickers on there, so be sure to peel them off. You also have 4 antennas up top. These 4 antennas have beamforming technology to combine and extend your Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home for a stronger connection. And a close look at our router. Pretty sleek look on the front. It has status lights for everything. Now, I want to make note, these antennas you can adjust and move. They don't just have to be in one specific direction. On the back, we've got our WPS Wi-Fi button and reset button, a USB 3.0 port, which is nice to set up some external storage, a WAN port to plug into our modem, and then 4 LAN ports, moving on a power button and where you connect the power adapter. Now let's get the router plugged in and check out how easy the setup process is. Let's get our router all set up. You can use your web browser. However, I'm going to use the TP-Link Tether app. Going through, selecting router, choose which type of router you have, whether it's 3G, 4G. We have a wireless router, and connecting our hardware lets you know how to. I have mine all set up and ready to go. I went through my Wi-Fi settings, connected to the router, and let's go ahead and scan for device. It found our Archer AX55 right away. Very simple process, logging into it. Set up a password to manage the router. We can choose our connection type. You can change your MAC address if you'd like to. And now we can set our wireless network name and password. And Smart Connect will switch back and forth between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz automatically to make sure you are on the correct one, the one that's going to give you the best speeds. Okay, inputted all the information, applying our settings. Congratulations, you can now enjoy the internet. Let's go ahead and hit finish. And that is it. We're all set up and ready to go. I have to say, that was really simple and quick. This router comes with a service called TP-Link Home Shield. There's a basic and a pro version. With the basic version, you get network security scans, parental controls, QoS, weekly, monthly reporting, and IoT device identification. However, there's a pro version for $5.99 a month. You can also try it out for 1 month for free. You get all the basic features. However, you also get DDoS attack prevention, IoT device protection, advanced parental controls, and more. Within the app, there's a group of different tools to manage your internet connection. First of all, you can set up a guest network, which is always helpful if you're having people over. It's also easy to share your Wi-Fi information if you'd like to just send that to someone. You also can set up parental controls on a per device basis. So if we add family members, let's say son, you can choose a specific device, save, and then create that profile around that person. And after using this router, I've noticed the Wi-Fi 6 benefits, not just the speeds, but also using multiple devices over Wi-Fi. One of the biggest perks of Wi-Fi 6 is being able to handle multiple devices on the network, especially with more and more devices coming into the home, myself included. A lot of tablets, smart TVs, laptops, phones, smart home devices, just a bunch of devices on the network. A lot of devices now have that Wi-Fi 6 technology built in, so you can take advantage of the Wi-Fi 6 features on this router. And also, you're future-proofing yourself when you do buy devices in the future that have Wi-Fi 6. You already have the Wi-Fi 6 router set up. And on the technical side, OFDMA technology increases capacity by 4 times to enable simultaneous transmission to more devices. So again, when you're gaming, you have someone streaming, you've got smart devices hooked up, it does much better at transmitting data to those devices evenly. You also have ultra low latency, so when you are video chatting, it isn't delayed, it is responsive. And especially when you're gaming, playing those multiplayer games, it's very fast paced. It needs to be as responsive as possible. And when it comes to speeds over Ethernet, I did a test between the modem and the router, and I consistently get over 900 megabits per second over Ethernet, whether I'm connected to just the modem or the router itself. So that is good news. You get the speeds that you pay for. Another really nice perk of Wi-Fi 6 is that it will let your devices consume less battery. So if you have a laptop with Wi-Fi 6 or a cell phone with Wi-Fi 6, the target wake time allows these devices to communicate more while consuming less power. So thankfully, when you're using Wi-Fi in your home, on your phone or laptop, and you have to go somewhere, you'll have a higher battery percentage when you leave your house. So overall, that is everything I want to talk about for now with the TP-Link Archer AX55 router. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, great to have that Wi-Fi 6 technology, a lot of perks, and it does future-proof you because more and more devices are getting that Wi-Fi 6 technology. Thanks again for watching. Again, I will link to this router down in the description of the video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.